Hi, this is Daniel with Circo Innovations. We have a new video for you here today. Enjoy our PVC backdrop. Alright, we're going to get into our 20-foot section backdrop frame. You're going to start by laying out one 20-foot section and 5 of the 10-foot sections. For this design, you're going to have a side saddle tee on each side of those 10-foot sections. You're going to be using a 90-degree elbow for all 4 corners of the design. As you can see here, we snapped on the side saddle tees in the middle section. We come around to the middle portion. You can see here we used the snap crosses. Those are going to be placed along the whole middle portion. Each 10-foot section is going to have a snap cross that 20-foot section can snap onto. Alright, now we're down to the legs portion. As you can see, we're using a T fitting as well as those side saddle tees at the bottom portion. Let's snap those on and then we'll get to the ends, and on those tees we have a short piece of PVC pipe that is roughly 1.5 inches long, and from those 1.5 inch sections at the bottom, that's what's going to attach our legs to support the frame itself. What you're going to need to build the legs for the ends: first take one section cut to 2 feet long, 2 caps, as well as 1 slip tee. The assembly for the middle legs is very similar. You're going to need that 2-foot section of PVC pipe, 2 caps. You're also going to need that slip tee. You're also going to need a 1.5 inch portion of PVC pipe with a side saddle tee on top. We do suggest adding a self-tapping screw to each of those side saddle tees to hold them in place. It just gives the structure a little more stability. Okay, so this one's all set. We're going to move into the next one, the 10-foot section option. Just like the last one, we're going to lay out our PVC pipe on the floor there, and then we're going to show you each fitting needed for this design. On this end pipe, you need 1 90-degree elbow and 3 slip tees. For the middle pipes, you need 1 slip tee, 2 slip crosses, and 1 tee. The pipe here with fittings on it that we're showing you now, there is 4 of those for this design, and there is 9 of these sections of pipe cut to 7 feet long for the middle portions. To see the full parts list for pipe and fittings, go to the description on this video. As you can see here, we simply tied these together, still using the slip tees, but we just took one of those legs out. It's a cleaner design and it's much stronger. Another way you can reinforce your 2 designs in coming together is using a snap cross, as you can see here. We found the hanging side saddle tees to be extremely useful when hanging up signs. We also use snap clamps to hold down the tablecloth to the table right in front of the PVC frame. As you can see here, I'm doubling up our snap clamps. The reason for that is the table we had here was a little thin. By using 2 snap clamps, you can make it nice and firm and hold on that tablecloth.